Well, and then I thought that I could just live with my dad and then drive over from Grosse Pointe, but it turns out, in my mind, I'm not good with directions or how far things are from each other, and I guess it's over an hour each way, so that would have been
paper mache. It's not real happening.
That might be it was made out of granite.
Here she comes. She's going to come and get you. I can get you.
Whoa!
Tippity toppity. You're okay. You're okay. Yes. Hi, Patrick. Hi, Patrick. Hello. Hello. I see you. I'm going to walk over and get you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Playing with the angel.